With the week ending green and volume decreasing, price could just drift below $6 for a short time as the market remains undecided. Then a break towards the 660 level and the 1.618 channel line would likely require at least 1 day of volume at or above 70 million. Falling back in the main decline of the channel is more likely if price can't get over $6 within the next 5 to 7 days, resulting in a drop towards the mid to low $5 range where support potential is still high. Volatility could increase here since it's still around the IPO price range. Then NViDIA stock price with its strongest bearish sign in weeks, as the week ended with a bearish engulfing pattern with higher volume, which now puts doubt into a quick advance to the 1000 boundary and contact with the spiral along this Fibonacci fan line's incline, which could still delay a price drop even if there's a strong confirmation of the bearish engulfing pattern. Under such conditions, 800 is the main lower boundary to watch in the near future. The market either holds or doesn't around 864. It's unlikely to stay around that area for long. Then remember to stay tuned for more coverage of other charts and the series on the Keltner channel indicator releasing next week. Now to RIVIaN stock price, which would likely need another day like Thursday, March 7th to close over the next channel line and fill in the gap, in which case the mid to low $15 range and the spiral become relevant resistance, though that would be less likely if price can't close over $14 twice by the end of next week. That would put doubt into the short-term bullish gains and put price back towards this decline to put attention towards a range forming back around 1110 with the main lower boundary being from $10.30 to $10.